Hi thoughties, today I felt like doing a spooky Halloween eyeshadow look. Let's get right into it. Alright, I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna take golden ochre from Anastasia. And I'm gonna put that like in the middle of my eye, like here. Okay, next I'm gonna take like this, the orange from the like Estee Lauder color palette, like, you know, and I'm putting that like on the sides of my lid. Wait, why am I doing this first? Frick, man, I don't even. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this orange color from the BH palette on some Sephora brand brush. Ouch! And then gonna put it like in my transition-y area. Also, look at this. Isn't it so pretty? I'm gonna go in with that same Sephora brush with Realgar, this like dark color. So that should be fun. I'm scared. Ouch. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so I'm putting that on like the sides of my eye. I just put like way too much and it looks kind of good on camera, but like in real life it doesn't. So I'm still doing this in that like transition-y part of your eye. So yeah, that's like what it's looking like right now. To blend it out, I'm gonna take burnt orange. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I feel very spooky. Oh my god, I want to make little bats with like liquid eyeliner. Oh my god, like right here. Ah, that's so cute. Or like a pumpkin. No, that's so advanced. Actually, no, I feel like that wouldn't be that hard. Like on your eyebrow. Except I don't want to get pimples because I like just got them done. So the pores are all like open. So I feel like it's looking pretty good, but I need like some shiny. So I'm gonna use First Defense. This color just got me pregnant. Oh, this is a Sephora brush. I don't know like why I'm using this brush. Like there's no reason. But like I'm gonna take that like more red shimmery one from the BH palette and let's see if that does anything. No. Okay, well, hashtag fail. I'm gonna go back in with Realgar. Wait, hold on, let me like come here. This is what it looks like. Cute, right? And oh yeah, this is why I have a hood on like BT Dubs. Okay, I'm just gonna take this brush from Smashbox, and it's broken, so that's why there's tape on it, and then go into Bleach, aka my favorite Brockhampton song. If you don't, I almost dropped it. Yeah, but if you don't listen to Brockhampton, like, stop watching my video. Like, I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but like, go listen to them like right now. Oh yeah, and then I'm like just taking it and putting it along with my waterline. I mean, what's it called? Like the, you know. Sorry for the interruption. My stupid friend called me. So like, while he was calling me, I did this. Like, I went in with bleach and this flat brush. It's like the MAC. I don't feel like figuring that out. And I went like under my brow bone. Oh wait, I need to, oh my. Okay, so we're taking black out. I'm nervous. Okay, actually we're gonna try it on my uglier eye. Oh my god. Oh, it looks really bad. What the f? I thought it was gonna look cute and edgy. And like, it just doesn't. Oh my god, I hate it. Oh, so emo. Oh my gosh, LOL. They called the green shade Hot Box. Like weed. Sorry, I'm just trying to get back in a good mood because I made myself really emo just now. Oh wait, this actually doesn't look that bad anymore. I want to do like bats or like something spooky. So I have this like 8-year-old Smashbox eyeliner. Just kidding, it's from 7th grade, so it's like 2 years old. Let's like stamp that on my face. Like, look, it's a bat. Wait, it's bats. I love Halloween. We're doing a bat. Oh fuck, how do I do that? I'm scared. Okay. What is that? It looks like a roach. Oh my god, it's not fucking even. Why did I think this was gonna be a good idea? What is that? Oh, I could put like orange around it. I have an English test tomorrow. I'll take the C. I'll show up to school in my cute spooky makeup. And my English teacher will be so shook, she'll be like, you don't even have to take the test. Okay, so I'm gonna take Realgar and which brush? Okay, this like Anastasia brush. It's like the one that comes with it. It's double-sided and I'm using the like firm side, like just going around it. And then I'm gonna use the other side with like a lighter color so I can blend it out because I want this to be like pretty strong. Okay, so now that the vat is really orange, blending it out. That's like fine, right? But I just drew all over my fucking whatever. pretty done at this point. Like with life and with this look. Oh wait, I look so cute and spooky. Ah! Wait. I'm gonna hate this in like 5 minutes, but like I'm in a really good mood right now. Highlighter. I'm using the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze stick. It's literally my favorite thing like in the world. And I'm just wait, thumbnail. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I heart you. That was a heart. Have a nice day. I hope you have some really yummy snacks and you eat some seaweed, because like I think it's good for you. And I'm just like in the mood for seaweed. So like I hope you get some seaweed, because I probably won't. So lols, I forgot to curl my eyelashes and put on mascara because my eyelashes are just that thick. But I feel like I have to. So I'm going to use the MUA brand from CVS. This eyelash curler. And it's all cute and it has like a pink thing. And, oh wait, don't I look so cute? I think this is honestly the spookiest part of the video. Ouch! Oh, ow. I pinched myself. It hurts. LOL, I might just like go downstairs with like this all up on my face and like see what my dad says. He'll be like, oh, you look very nice. Like, are you going somewhere? Like, no, I have nowhere to go. Okay. Oh my god, literally kill me. Okay, whatever. I don't even take pictures of that side of my face anyway, so. I hate everything. Oh yeah, also I'm using this Chanel mascara. It's not that good, as in like, it's not waterproof, and I cry a lot, so that kind of sucks. But like, otherwise, like, it's good. Doesn't really clump. That's been my 3-second review. Oh yeah, wait, I look so much cuter now. Alright, so, thanks for watching. Once again, I hope you have some snacks and you watch a good spooky movie. I might put some in the description if I post this, so check it out. I watched Truth or Dare with my boyfriend. It was really good. So, oh my god, I'm currently going Visco famous. Okay, I love you. Have a good day.